Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in, y'all. Yeah, I'm still demoing, the demo king right now. But nah, I'm just kidding around. But I do got a couple trades in. I'm working on my swing trades, my weekly trades right now. I got in this trade yesterday. I got in all these trades yesterday. Right now, I did all those blue ones are all buys. So I did a buy order on these right here, 7775. Right now the market's at 7783. Of course, I think the market was at 7760. And I got in this trade, 134.75. It was something similar to that one as well, like 134.60, 65, something like that. I got in this one. It was below 1875. It was like somewhere in the same range, y'all. Maybe like 1860, 1865, probably possibly. I don't think it was nowhere near 70. Now we're hitting 1910. Um, I'm winning this trade right now as well. It's not showing green, but I'm winning that trade right now too. 34.20. That's to stay below 34.25. So it's just too close to hit profit. So you just got to get it. It got to finally make a move. Uh, let's see if I can see the pairs. ADUSD, EuroJPY, GU. GU is always something else, man. It's kind of like GU is like an animal. I'd have been better off going into GJ. GJ is a more solid player. I just wasn't sure. I wasn't sure that what direction it was going at the present moment. It's kind of like in the kind of consolidation zone, so I really didn't want to make no real move on that. But yeah. Now USD CAD, it's a volatile pair as well. Like it done shot up. So I got in at 26, like 50 something. I might have shot down to like 26, 25 or something like that. Now 20, yeah, it shot down to that price range, but it went back up. Now it's on the way down, so we'll see what it's gonna do. But these are the current trades I'm in. I've been in these trades since yesterday, so I'll be in these trades for 3 days. We'll see how they go. I can't guarantee all of them will win. I got a lot of trades in there, but I'm working on. That's something I'm working on. I got a pretty strong idea of what kind of trade I want to get in, but nothing presented itself. But AUDUSD, AUDUSD is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. Right now, AUDUSD is shooting up. I'm expecting it to go up to maybe the 77, 66, some up in that range. But shucks, it shot past that. That's where the market was at when I got in. That's where the market was at when I got in. It was at 77.66. I actually got all the stuff written down. Euro USD was at 1888, and AUD was at 77.66. Euro GPY was at 134.58. GU was at 34.04. Okay, so I didn't write down what USD CAD was at, but I know it was going down at the current price. It may be in at 26.52. 26.52. So I made a amount of pips. So I'm definitely chasing pips on these trades. So I needed to go like more than like 40 to 50 pips. Most of the time like 40, somewhere in that range, but something like that. It's moving pretty good. I'm in some pretty good trades right now. I'm expecting to do a little bit more. But I know the AUD/USD pair is going to move a lot more than the other pairs at this present moment. Just because the setup I caught it in. But Euro USD is moving pretty good as well. But it was already start moving by the time I got in that trade. So it's one of those deals. I'm just giving y'all a little brief update of what's going on. Definitely trying to make some major movements in this market. You know what I'm saying? This year coming up, it's going to be a pretty good year as far as trading goes. I'm going to I'm gonna hold out on putting minimum amounts into the market. I'm gonna save a good amount to put in the market and give me a little bit more margin. Even in the binary market, we need margin. So free margin, we definitely need that. So definitely that's what I'm shooting for right now. So as you can see, this is what the trades are doing. Go down to the chart real quick. See what I got USD CAD up. Yeah, so I got in USD CAD at 52. So it was here. It was here. And it came down, popped up, went down, came up, all the way back up, and came back down, and now it's moving back down. I'm expecting it to try to break through that 26.21 area. As you can see, that's a heavy level of resistance. I might end up getting out this trade. You know, I'm not sure how long this trend is going to last. As you can see, this trend been trending since last week, and it hit a high. You know, I don't know how long it's going to stay in this channel. And it's just this is a heavy level of consolidation right here. So we don't know how long. I don't know how long it's going to consolidate and decide to continue to move down. So that was a level of consolidation. If you take a peek, it made us move down. It got to a point where it stopped that, went back up, came back down, kind of set at that price, and then plummeted. So it did a little zigzag down. It moved down a little bit, came all the way up, and plummeted again. Now I don't expect it to do a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully break that 26.21 resistance or support. If it can break that support right there, we'll be doing all right. We'll be doing all right. Can't really shrink it up. I got on a smaller time frame, but definitely want that to break that support, because I mean I possibly win that trade. But if it don't, as you can see, it's kind of like going green again. You know what I'm saying? It's not giving me that market movement down. Then again, it's not in session as well, so I'm not expecting to do a lot of movement. Even though it was in session during these times, and you can see it during these times, it kind of like just didn't really do a whole lot. I mean, they moved 26, 27, 26, 68. Yeah, it moved like 40 pips as far as swinging up and down, as far as consolidating. So it really didn't make no real movement. Now it can do one or two things. That's it. It can continue down, or it can reverse and start a new market structure. Or it can do a high pivot, come up to some high level, and then fall back down. Because we know it reached a high here. It's not a true high, but it's a high for, approximately the last few weeks. So yeah. But I'm not gonna get into this video's already got lengthy, so I'm just gonna get ready and get this trade. So in profit right now, still in profit $1,800, so that's pretty good. I was checking out, y'all. It's a little update.